5 lobsters are down there. Let's get the grill out. Let's set it up. Let's get this party started. Oh, we've already heated up the grill. All we have to do is throw a little Tajín on there. The first thing is get these knives sharpened. On the boat, we have to have an assortment of knives, okay? Need to get this sharpened up. I'm gonna cut through those lobsters. We're gonna cut them in half and we're gonna grill them face down. Now we're gonna get over here and cut these Brussels sprouts. The Brussels sprouts are gonna be the side for the lobsters. Okay. Then the Shiitake mushrooms. I like to take these and just cut the ends off of them and half them. Okay, so I'm going to half these up so they grill a little bit quicker and they'll be more tender. I like the Brussels sprouts. This is a mini cabbage. Okay, so we've got the Brussels sprouts halved. Now the mushrooms. The Shiitake mushrooms are the best because they have cancer fighting properties. We're going to do the same with them. I like them, they'll shrink a little bit. I like them whole. One thing I like about the mushroom is the vitamin D source. So it's vitamin D2 and the body will make it into D3. It has a little bit of carb in it, so of course I do a keto diet, but I do eat carbs. These vegetables have carbs and fiber, so we could slice this and lay it face up and put it out in the sun and dry it out in the sunlight. It will increase the amount of vitamin D by 100-fold. So there's the mushrooms and the Brussels sprouts. We have those sliced in half. We're going to set the grill up next. We're going to get those lobsters out. We're going to put it all together and you can see what this creation is going to be. All right, so we have the grill set up, prepped. We're going to spray this with coconut oil right here, and we've already done this and heated it up, and then we're kind of letting it cool a bit to make a good layer so things don't stick on the grill. While that's cooling off, we're going to take this time to make our garlic butter sauce for the lobster. I'm going to take whole garlic, I'm going to mince it up, I'm going to mix this with the clarified butter, also called ghee, and you can make your own. You can take butter and heat it up and spoon off the milk solids so you have the clear part left, and the chef knife action. Okay, here we go. That's why it has a curve on it. For me, I like the cutting of the vegetables. Maybe that's an outlet. Oh no, that wasn't much. So yeah, maybe it's an outlet. Chop there, put it in the bowl. We're gonna put the ghee in there next. Okay, let's do that. We need a lot. We've got 5 lobsters here, so this is the ghee in the jar. That right there is a winner because it's already been processed. We have the seasonings. Let's run through the seasonings. Now it's time to get naughty. Red pepper seasoned, rosemary, garlic, basil. The seasoned oil will give it a great flavor. I'm going to go with red pepper and basil. A tablespoon of each. The seasonings. Let's go through the seasonings. Of course, you have to have Old Bay. It's a bit salty, so I use it sparingly, and I have other seasonings. I'm going to put the Old Bay in there. Okay, next, another, and you can get in the stores, Tajín. I like this because it actually has lime zest in it. And then I have my concoction, Fire Dragon. A tablespoon of that. We do things differently on the boat. Sometimes we have a spice that we don't even know what it is. It's called mystery spice. It's got rosemary in it. It's got Himalayan sea salt and lemon juice. This is our glaze. We're gonna put the lobster on and put this glaze on it. Butter, garlic, lemon. How'd that turn out? More lemon and seasoning. Okay, so this is the Nauti Sauce, those naughty lobsters. Okay guys, here we are with the lobster. Look at these bad boys. Live, whole lobster. Here we go. What we're gonna do here is put them to sleep. And the way you do that is you set them up on their head like this and hum and sing to them. Okay, so we have a sleeping lobster on the cutting board. Okay, we're going to take the chef knife and the cleaver and we're going to slice this bad boy in half. The lobster now is sliced in half, and so we're going to clean it and get it ready for the grill. I'm going to scrape out the tamale and the innards, and we just have the meat left. Now I've made steamed lobsters many times, and I will eat the whole lobster. The tamale, sometimes they have eggs in them, so you have a roe, but today we're just going to eat the meat. Probably feed that to the catfish. They would enjoy that. I can take the bands off now. Get ready to throw them on the grill. So now we're going to prepare the rest of the lobsters. We got 4 more to go. Let's put them to sleep and let's cut them in half. Okay, now it's time to put the veggies on and get those going. So we've got the grill prepared and it's oiled down. We've got it seasoned in, heated up. Lay in our vegetables. Gonna give them a good spray of coconut oil. Use coconut oil because of the fatty acids in the coconut oil. It's a little easier when we're doing it this way. There. Here is also another place to use our infused oil. So it pairs with lobster. So I will add a little Tajín with the lime and has a little more sodium in it. Finally, my pickled pepper juice. That's going to give it a good flavor. It wouldn't be a pirate ship if we didn't add a little beer. And wine. This is a pineapple sweet wine. There's that, and then we just want to flip them over and get them going. One more spray. A little more Tajín. And the pickled pepper sauce. Close her down. Okay, our vegetables are done. nice and browned, multi-layer of seasonings, wine, beer. We're gonna get these off the grill, and we're gonna get the lobsters on the grill. We're back here with the lobster now. Everything's been cleaned, washed, prepared. We've got the half lobsters to put on the grill. Here we have the Nauti Sauce. We're gonna take some of that, and we're simply just gonna paste it in to a lobster. All that. Okay, we've already heated up the grill. All we have to do is throw a little Tajín on there. Face down on the grill. Next, and we'll just continue with our lobster. Once we put these on the grill, we're going to continue to put a little brewski on there, get the steam going. Okay, we're back. We have the lobsters on the grill. They're browned, and now we've put them all on there to steam. So we have a pile of lobster here, a lobster feast. We have our veggies. We're going to plate this in a second, so we're all set. Okay guys, here it is, the lobster feast. We've got it plated. We're about to dig in and eat.
Hit that subscribe button. Your vote always counts on the platform, and give us a thumbs up to help us reach more viewers.